Welcome to a talk through of the solutions to a GCSE Maths Higher Tier worksheet, Linear Equations 1. Question 1. In the magic square, the rows and columns and diagonals add to the same number. Work out the values of W, X and Y. Well, here we have a column where we have all three numbers, so they add up to 10 plus 5 plus 6 is 21. So each column and each row must add up to 21. So if we find a row here with just one unknown, we can say 5 plus 9 is 14, 14 plus y has to come to 21. So y must be 21 minus 14, which is 7. We can look at the column with x in it. 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus x is 21. So x is equal to 21 minus 13, which is 8. So we just have to find w now. If x is 8, 8 plus 10 is 18, w is 21 minus 18, which is 3, to give answers of w is 3, x is 8, y is 7. Question 2. If x combined with y with this symbol means 2x plus y, find the value of 2 combined with 8. So what we have to do is take the first number, double it and add the second. So if we have 2 and 8, we double 2 to get 4 and add on the 8 to get 12. This symbol, m with this black triangle n, means m plus n divided by 2. So find the value of 4 black triangle 10. Well, we have to add them together, divide by 2. 4 plus 10 is 14, divide by 2 gives an answer of 7. Simplify 6a plus 7b minus 2a plus b. First collect the a's. 6a minus 2a is 4a. Now the b's. Plus 7b plus another b is plus 8b. Final answer, 4a plus 8b. Part D. Solve the equation 5w plus 6 equals 9 minus w. Bring the w's to the left and the numbers to the right. So 5w, bring the minus w across, becomes plus w, equals 9, take the plus 6 across, becomes minus 6, giving us 6w equals 3, w equals 3 divided by 6, w equals a half. Question 3. Solve the equation x divided by 20 equals minus 4. Here we just have to multiply the equation through by 20 and we get x equals minus 4 times 20, so x equals minus 80. Solve the equation 8w minus 5 equals 3w plus 1. Let's bring the w's to the left, the numbers to the right. 8w, bring across the 3w, changes to minus 3w, equals plus 1, take across the minus 5, becomes plus 5. So that gives us 8w minus 3w is 5w, 5 plus 1 is 6. So if 5w is 6, w is 6 divided by 5, 6/5 or 1.2. Part C. Simplify y plus 2 times y times y. Y times y is y squared. 2 times y squared we write as 2y squared. And then we have to add y. So the final answer is y plus 2y squared. Or if you want to factorise it, we could take out a common factor of y, in which case it would become y times 1 plus 2y. Factorise 15t plus 25. Common factor of 5. Pull the 5 out the front, rebuild the expression. What do we multiply 5 by to get 15t? 3t. What do we multiply 5 by to get plus 25? Plus 5. Part E. Factorise z squared plus 8z. Common factor in both terms of z. Pull the z out the front, rebuild the expression. What do we multiply z by to get z squared? Z. What do we multiply z by to get plus 8z? Plus 8. Question 4. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Write down an expression for the perimeter of the quadrilateral in terms of x and y. Simplify your answer. Well, the perimeter is just the distance around the edge of the quadrilateral, so we just need to add these distances together. 3x plus 2x plus 3y plus 4x plus 2y plus 5x plus y. Collect the x's together. 3x plus 2x is 5x, plus 4x is 9x, plus 5x is 14x. Collect the y's together. Plus 3y plus 2y is plus 5y, plus y is plus 6y. So the expression we require is 14x plus 6y. Part B. When x equals 4 centimetres, the perimeter of the quadrilateral is 68 centimetres. Find the value of y. So the perimeter we can equate to 68. 14x plus 6y is 68 when x is 4. So we need to substitute for x, putting in the value 4. 14 times 4 is 56, plus 6y equals 68. Take the 56 to the other side, and we get 6y equals 68 minus 56, so 6y equals 12. So y is 12 divided by 6, which is 2. Question 5. Solve the equation x divided by 6 equals 7. So here we just multiply the equation through by 6, we get x equals 7 times 6, so x is 42. Next one's got an algebraic fraction involved. Solve the equation x plus 1 over 2 minus 3x equals 3. As a first step, we multiply the equation through by this denominator, remembering to put a bracket round it because the 3 will be multiplied by all of 2 minus 3x. So x plus 1 is 3 multiplied by the bracket 2 minus 3x. We now expand the bracket. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 3 times minus 3x is minus 9x. So that gives us x plus 1 equals 6 minus 9x. Let's bring the x's to the left and take the numbers to the right. Bring the minus 9x across, it becomes plus 9x. Take the plus 1 across here, it becomes minus 1. So that gives us x plus 9x is 10x on the left side, and 6 minus 1 is 5 on the right. 10x equals 5, so x is 5 divided by 10, which simplifies to x equals a half. Question 6. You are given that 6x equals 48. Work out the value of 5x. Well, first we'll find out the value of 1x. If 6x equals 48, x equals 48 divided by 6, so x equals 8. And if x equals 8, 5x is 8 times 5, or 5 times 8, which is 40. So the answer is 5x equals 40. And finally, part B, solve the equation 2 bracket 4y minus 1 equals 18. First expand the bracket. 2 times 4y is 8y, 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. So that gives us 8y minus 2 equals 18. Taking the 2 to the other side, changing its sign, 8y equals 18 plus 2, so 8y equals 20. Y is equal to 20 divided by 8, which cancels down to 5 over 2, or 2 1/2.